Welcome to an easy, step-by-step guide on clearing Discord cache on your mobile device. If you've been noticing slowdowns, glitches, or old messages popping up, clearing the cache can give Discord a fresh start without losing your actual chats or files. First, locate the Discord app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Do a long press on the Discord icon until a menu appears. This quick gesture avoids digging through settings and keeps things fast. From the options that pop up, tap App Info. You'll be taken to the app's details panel where you can manage all sorts of settings specific to Discord. This is the central hub for handling storage, notifications, permissions, and more. Now, scroll down to find storage. This section shows how much space Discord is using on your device and breaks down what's stored locally. It's the control center for clearing data in a targeted way. Tap Clear Cache. You'll likely see a confirmation prompt asking if you are sure you want to remove the cache data. Confirm your choice, and Discord will reclaim the space and refresh its temporary files. The process is quick and doesn't affect your actual messages, media, or account login. Once the cache is cleared, you might notice a slight moment of reloading as the app rebuilds its local data. This is normal and just means Discord is reorganizing the information it needs to run smoothly. If you've been experiencing issues like stuck images, delayed messages, or odd glitches, this small cleanup can often fix it. If you'd like to take a little extra precaution, you can open Discord after clearing the cache and perform a quick sign-in check to confirm you're still connected.